today we are going to finalize with comparative and superative form of adjectives nakongeza-linnya ez'enjawulo. And if you didn't watch my first videos and second video about comparative and superative, please revert to playlist 2. At Benny here we learn English and Luganda. Tusoma Oluzungu no Luganda. Okay, let's have some examples and you further understand comparative and superative forms of adjectives. Katufuneyo ebyokulabirako. Number 1, we have cold. Cold is the adjective, and we further looked at the adjectives. Also, you can review this video for further reference. So we have cold as the adjective. In comparative form, it is colder. We said most of the words in comparative form you add er to form colder. Then in superative form, it is coldest. So it is cold, colder, coldest. And in Luganda, this is ekinyogovu, that is called ekisinga obunyogovu, ekisembayo obunyogovu, ekinyogovu, ekisinga obunyogovu, ekisembayo obunyogovu. Example 2, we have crazy. Crazy. In comparative it is crazier, crazier, and in superative it's craziest, craziest. Okay, and this in Luganda is omulalu, omulalu, asinga obulalu, asinga obulalu, asembayo obulalu in superative form, asembayo obulalu. Okay, example 3, we have good. Please note, good is the adjective. In comparative form, it is going to be better, not gooder. It is better, better. And in superative, it is best, best. So something at its best, it's a superative form of good. And this in Luganda is ekirungi, ekisinga obulungi, ekisinga obulungi, ekisembayo obulungi, ekisembayo obulungi. Okay, the next example, we have short, short, and in comparative form, this is shorter, shorter, and in superative form, it is shortest, shortest. Okay, and this in Luganda is ekimpi. Short is ekimpi in Luganda. Ekisinga obumpi, that is comparative form. Ekisinga obumpi, and in superative it's going to be ekisembayo obumpi, ekisembayo obumpi. Okay, let's proceed. Another example, we have dirty, dirty, dirty. In comparative, it is dirtier, dirtier. And in superative, it is dirtiest, dirtiest. And this in Luganda is ekikyafu, ekikyafu. Dirty is ekikyafu, ekisinga obukyafu, ekisinga obukyafu, ekisinga obukyafu. Then in superative it is ekisembayo obukyafu at its peak. So ekisembayo obukyafu. Once again, ekikyafu, ekisinga obukyafu, ekisembayo obukyafu. Okay, that is it in this video. Hope you've got something. Here we learn English and Luganda with ease. Bye bye. Wait about.